times acceleration. Understand this basic relation. Newton's law in motion display. Push and pull in every day. Energy can't be destroyed or created, just transformed and integrated. Kinetic energy in a moving train. Potential energy in a higher plane. Feel the power, feel the force. Physics taking its course. In the universe it flows. Mechanics everyone knows. Velocity, speed with direction. Motion's key in every section. Friction slows you down in a run. Momentum's fast time, velocity sun. Action, reaction, they are blind. Opposite forces you will find. Equal strength, but in different place. Inertia's role you have to face. Gravity pulls with an unseen hand. On this ground we all stand. Every object falls with grace due to this unseen embrace. Feel the power, feel the force. Physics taking its course. In the universe it flows. Mechanics everyone knows. Velocity, speed with direction. Motion's key in every section. Friction slows you down in a run. Momentum's fast times velocity sun. Action, reaction, they all bind. Opposite forces you will find. Equal strength, but in different place. Inertia's role you have to face. Gravity pulls with an unseen hand. On this ground we all stand. Every object falls with grace due to this unseen embrace. Action, reaction, they all bind. Opposite forces you will fight. Equal strength.